Hey guys, I'm just making this quick video in the car, that's why lighting and that's not great. Basically it's on the Pyro RDTA. Now I've seen online and I've experienced it myself, a lot of flavour issues, that people aren't getting flavour. Now it took me a lot of trial and error to get it right, and also with my friend as well, he came over to try and look at it. So one problem would be where the coils are positioned. Now I had them positioned obviously quite low, obviously because of where the air holes are. They were adjacent right to the air holes, but what you want to do is make them higher, so they are, if you look at it, you can't really see because of the light in here, but they're actually above the air hole, so that just the bottom of the coil is shown, just show the bottom of the coil is shown through the air hole. And the reason that is because it's the height of, because the Pyro has like a kind of special airflow that has a wee scoop cut out inside, that lets the air hit it and flow up and hit the other coil. So they need to be high enough. So as you can see, they're quite high. So they need to be high enough so that the air can get under that scoop properly and hit the back of the other coil. Now as you can see, I've not just done this for demonstration purposes. This is blue slush that's in here just now, so you can see that it's wicked amazing. It's totally soaked in juice. And the way I do that is I fluff my ends up to the max and even pull loads off of it, so there's just like barely any cotton touching down in there. So they're really fluffed up and it's really thin, and that's how you do the wick. And like I said, with the air holes, you put the coil just slightly above the air holes and voila. Tons of vapor production, and there's flavour. The flavour's really good. It's just on par with my dripper almost. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks guys.